Okay, so this is our first night that we arrived at Horseshoe Meadows. So our campsite's actually right here. We took this road up, Horseshoe Meadows Road. Crazy switchbacks. But Tuesday morning, we're going to actually hike up into the Cottonwood Lakes area. We'll probably camp at Long Lake, I'm guessing. You know what? Leave the wood, but take the box.
Jordan, your chin.
What's on my chin? Sunscreen?
It's white.
Sunscreen?
Okay, we're just starting on our hike here. It's 10:40. You always make those awful faces like you're suffering. Uh-oh. Heard that? Darn. Oh, my knees.
Start walking over there. Turn around. Now? Now?
Quite lovely, isn't it, Chris? Woohoo! Oh, it feels so much better. This way.
Go this way?
Yep. We're right over there.
My hair looks crazy. Mine doesn't. Mine looks crazy. This is why this is Running Wild with Bear Girls and I'm the celebrity. Who's Bear? Dad?
Home sweet home.
Do I look like a boy right now?
No, you look like an
Mosquito.
egg.
Look at that. It's called Earth. The finest seasoning. There was some like lightning, thunder, so
Oh yeah, talk about the rain.
the rain felt like God was crying for us, you know. He felt bad. I mean, his children were suffering. I would feel bad for them too.
How do you feel about today? Good? 6 miles?
My feet hurt. I feel like I remember it being worse on this day. That's because it was like snowing last time. And, oh, that was so close. And I feel like that's all I have to say. That's when you cut it and then you piece it back together. I'm like, oh, coming back to this.
Okay, this is our second hammock location.
And you have to do it where it's like this. And then this is the entry.
Okay.
So this is the second hammock location.
Okay. Close up. Okay. Ready, set, roll.
So this is the second hammock location. I feel creepy.
Nicole, what do you think about the food?
Mashed potatoes definitely needed the lentils.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
Harper,
Needed the
yeah?
lentils.
Oh, straight
Doesn't
mash.
like it.
Some people have altitude sickness.
Wednesday we're gonna go over our first tough climb, which is over New Army Pass. Over 12,000 feet, and then we're gonna drop down, meet up with the Pacific Crest Trail, which is coming up this way, and then from this point off, we're gonna actually go cross country for We're gonna stay at Soldier Lakes.
That's the breakfast skillet. That's the biscuits and gravy. How are we feeling?
Is there more in there?
A little bit.
Yeah.
No, you can have it.
Good breakfast.
Not yet.
Pretty good. I already had some.
Pretty good. It's by Mountain
Save it for
House,
Dad.
right?
Yeah.
It's pretty good. Do you like it, Harper?
There's like
10 out of 10 recommend.
Wow.
So here we are. This is day 2. That was a good night. I think it was a good night's rest at Cottonwood Lakes number 3. We had beautiful blue skies this morning, but quickly, as you can see, the clouds are rolling in. So we got to get up and over New Army Pass as quickly as possible.
Over there, you can see them, the tree that looks like it's walking forward. And then we're gonna go up that, I'm pretty sure, and it goes behind. And then that's Dead Man. Wait, I keep calling it Dead Man's Pass, but it's New Army's Pass. Dead soldier. What's wrong?
My arm is tingling.
So we're gonna do some arm raises.
I'm shaking
Who's
it.
next?
Okay.
Who's up first?
I did my dues.
What's up? We were at New Army Pass. Been standing straight.
Nope.
Christian.
Day 200 out here in the wilderness.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
the left one.
We have nothing but each other. And some dry food.
Did we come from like where we can't see?
Yeah.
That way or that way?
It's around that. You see that little horn over there?
Yeah.
It was around there. We wrapped around that.
Oh, we walked far.
Uh-huh.
Am I in the way? We're just getting a really bad.
No, you.
Oh, here. Thank you.
All right. You want to wait for Caitlin then? What are you listening to?
The climb.
The climb?
Pretty fitting.
Oh, that's good. Very inspirational.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you know, we're getting there. Right? Just wanted to check in on you.
And we're trying to get through the pass as quick as we can before lightning strikes us.
So it's well past noon. It's 12:40, and we're finally nearing the top of New Army Pass. The rest of the group is ahead. We have Jordan behind, and Caitlin bringing up the rear. Oh. It's a long climb, but everyone did well. Good job, everyone. Oh, wow, what a view.
How many miles have we gone?
Hey, almost 3.
Yay!
Actually, a little bit more than 3. I started it late. Yay!
Five.
Good job, guys.
Snowing over there.
Wow.
Can you tell?
Oh yeah. There's Langley up there. Whoops. Okay. I see you coming in.
So, what are your thoughts? Because we already did this before, so like, how is it?
Would you like
How
to
is it this time around?
Yes. Okay, you just have to remove the top.
Okay, so basically the first time it was
little
the hardest
turtle.
thing I've done backpacking. Second time, still the hardest thing I've ever done.
I made it.
Almost there. There's birds flying and there's thunder. That's like ominous.
Dude, Jordan made it.
Unclip the lid cap.
Yeah.
Not that I thought you wouldn't. Good job. Give me a high five.
Yeah? Oh, like this?
Ooh, thunder.
It's a little afternoon hailstorm, huh? Did you feel the hail?
Nope.
Well, there's some serious thunder going on right now. There's Langley, you could see like a fresh dusting of snow way over there. Just happened right now. Literally before our eyes.
Oh my god. Help! That's kind of a problem when you need to pee really bad. And it's really hailing, so my butt is just gonna hurt. So try to pee now.
We ran up here right when it started coming down hard.
Did you guys get hailed on?
Yeah, dude, it hurts so bad.
Alright, we gotta
What do you want to do?
think about deploying.
Right here?
Hello, hello.
Maybe sit out the storm.
Whitney is currently 6 miles. 6 miles away.
Look at my dad's shoes.
Did he put shoes on?
Why? Dad, how are your feet? Aren't you cold? Does it answer me? No. My legs are so
Can you even feel my hand?
barely. Like it's not even. I'll check back in if we survive. I keep wanting to call it Dead Man's Pass.
Same thing.
Yeah. Or I was gonna call it Devilman's. Like.
Running wild with Bear Grylls. This is my daily makeup routine. Thinking about wearing my waterproof mascara, but I chose not to. But I should have. I myself.
How are you feeling?
I'm so angry.
I really want
I want Noel to start crying on camera.
No, I'm not gonna cry.
Okay.
But like,
I feel so gross
Can I
because
just
it
take
rained all over us. And I'm sweaty. And we didn't eat lunch. We hiked for 6 hours.
oh yeah, because we were
There's
trying
a tree on fire.
Oh yeah. That's across.
What was the easiest part of the hike?
Going up the big mountain. And the sun's out.
Well, everyone's dead and this interview thing isn't working. The sun finally came out and everyone literally just hanging up their stuff to dry. How do you feel about the sun coming out?
It's nice. Well, if you look at it, look, it's almost gonna go behind the rock. Best part of the trip so far.
Is the warm sun?
Don't mind my messy hair.
How was your nap?
It was good.
It's good, that's good.
Trying to make the pain go away.
And
And then
did?
I woke up and the sun was out, and I was like, sleep is always the answer.
Calories we need. Alright, who's up first?
A nice warm meal after the cold rain. Are we loving it?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hem these pants now.
I don't.
Nice.
Ready? Wait, let me go further away. Dance or something.
I should do like a Troy Bolton.
I just feel like
Oh, look in the water. And then he's like, he slaps it. How does he do it? He's like,
See that? So it's going to show up later. But if I move there, there's Jupiter.
Mm.
And then over here is Venus.
Wait.
Wait, what?
This is the tree that got struck by lightning. Fire!
Yeah, that's why we should have it.
why that one?
No, that one.
Because we already know.
Hi, Dad.
Harper, don't
Yeah.
worry about
Right
it.
here. Okay, now it's just video clipping.
Is it a video?
Yeah,
last
now
video
it's
before we that. No, just kidding.
Stick it in the lake.
So Thursday morning, we're gonna traverse across here into the Mitre Basin and stay up here Thursday night. Friday, we're gonna go over Crabtree.